Introducing Haier Robo Vacuum Cleaner. The powerful suction cleans with ease, with the help of the inbuilt mopping and cleaning functions. For wet mopping, add water to the water tank and attach the microfiber cloth. Equipped with gyroscope navigation system, seamlessly orients itself wherever you want silently. Equipped with proximity sensors, robot detects obstacles with ease. The cliff sensor prevents the robot from falling from heights. Haier Robo Vacuum Cleaner comes with a long-lasting battery. With the Haier Smart app, schedule your cleaning from anywhere. Haier Robo Vacuum Cleaner is truly future-ready IoT product, managed with your smart TV. How to maintain Haier Robo Vacuum Cleaner. Clean the HEPA filter with the provided brushes, and remove the dust tank and empty the waste. It's that simple. Smart home starts with Haier Robo Vacuum Cleaner.